Introducing the Magic Heat and Magic Stove Kit, the simple solution for your cooking needs when camping, fishing, and hunting. From boiling water, heating stew, or cooking bacon and eggs, the Magic Heat and Stove Kit is the only cooking device that you need. Magic Heat is safe to hold, even after burning for long periods of time. The screw neck cap on our can helps to prevent the fuel from leaking and the transfer of the heat to the sides of the can. Another feature of Magic Heat is that the flame will not spread if the can is accidentally tipped over. If Magic Heat is tipped over completely, the flame will extinguish and will not create any potential fire hazards. If any fuel is accidentally spilled out onto any surface, it will not ignite. Even if a direct flame is applied to the fuel, it does not ignite. Magic Heat can also be reused time and time again. When you're finished using Magic Heat, simply screw on the cap to extinguish the flame. Magic Heat will not evaporate and has an indefinite shelf life, so it can be stored for use for your next function, next week, next month, or next year. Our unique stove assembly allows us to use Magic Heat for multiple applications. To use as a heat source, assemble the grill bars notch side up. Put the stove assembly on the grill bars and drop in your Magic Heat fuel cell. Now you have a stable source of heat to use outdoors or even in your car for winter emergencies. Turn the heat source into a stove by removing the fuel cell, placing the stove assembly on top of the Magic Heat can, and reversing the grill bars to fit on notch side down. Now you're ready to cook. Just grab a can of beans and cook right out of the can. Use a frying pan or pot to cook eggs, bacon, or whatever's on the menu. The Magic Heat and Magic Stove Kit compacts down no larger than a can of tuna for easy storage. Perfect to keep in your glove compartment of your vehicle as an emergency heat source. For camping, hiking, or canoeing, it compacts down to fit in your backpack. And the stove assembly provides additional protection for the fuel cell. Whether you need to cook inside or outdoors, the Magic Heat and Magic Stove Kit is ideal for any and all cooking applications.